Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find how much RAM installed on a computer, understand PC or laptop. So as if you want to find how much RAM installed on a computer, understand PC or laptop, so it is easy. First click on Start, click on Settings. Now click on System. Now left panel, click on About. And here option Installed RAM, that is RGB and 7.77 GB usable. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to find how much RAM is installed on a computer, Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.